Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this no sugar cake or dates cake. Yes, this cake I made using dates without adding any sugar and it came out really well. You should definitely try out this. I've taken 11 dates and I'm removing the seeds of all of them. Now I'll be soaking them in warm milk of half cup for 30 minutes minimum. Now moving everything to the grinder jar, adding 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, you can replace egg with half cup of curd, and vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, and grind them all and transfer to a bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and seed them. Using the cut and fold method, mix them. Do not over mix them. So for making it eggless, add half cup of curd instead of egg, and I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk to make it a batter consistency. Now grease a baking tray with oil and add parchment paper. Again grease it with oil, then add the batter to the baking tray. Now spread them well. Tap it twice and bake it for 35 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. I had already preheated the oven, and after 35 minutes this is how it looked like. Let me cut it and show it to you. So this came out really spongy. You should definitely try out this, and the taste was delicious, and I never imagined a dates cake will be so tasty like normal cake. I could not even know that this doesn't contain sugar. So do definitely try out this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.